Hi, Kristi. Krisha Warren here, and I just finished watching your presentation on how verbal communications can go awry. First of all, I thought you did a very effective job of verbally communicating throughout your presentation. You were very clear, to the point, articulate throughout, so demonstrated what it means and takes to be a good verbal communicator, so great job. The points that you pulled out in regards to clarity of the message, making sure that you're clear on what you're planning to share with the audience, the vividness, being able to really kind of paint the picture or give them examples that they can then also be thinking with their own minds what that means, what that looks like, is really helpful to, again, put the pieces of the puzzle together. And then obviously to ensure that you don't lose the audience by offending them, you have to be ethical in your word choices and that you're not, again, offending anyone or making them not want to listen to you because, quite frankly, they don't have respect for you because it may be something that you said that was unethical. Again, I think that the examples you gave were great, explaining, the audience. You need to know your audience so you can tailor the message to them, whether it's a child and you're discussing or verbally communicating with them versus you're in a business meeting and meeting with, professional coworkers and such. So again, I think that you were effective. I felt that you were able to tie back what we've learned in our readings this week and help me to, again, paint a clearer picture on the content. And I feel even more knowledgeable about verbal communications and how to avoid them going awry after listening. So thank you.